Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on web services. In last session we learned about SOAP web services. In this session we will learn RESTful web services. JAX-RS. So let's start it. JAX-RS tutorial provides concepts and examples of JAX-RS API. This JAX-RS tutorial is designed for beginners and professionals. There are two main implementation of JAX-RS API. Jersey and REST Easy. Let's see JAX-RS example with Jersey. We can create JAX-RS example by Jersey implementation. To do so, you need to load Jersey jar files or use Maven framework. In this example, we are using Jersey jar files for using Jersey example for JAX-RS. You will get the download link on the page below. There are 4 files for Hello World JAX-RS example. Hello.java, web.xml, index.html, and Hello World Client.java. The first 3 files are created for server side and 1 application for client side. So let's do it. You need to follow the steps of application. Make sure you do the program as shown in the video. A slight mistake in the steps can lead your program to not running. So watch it carefully. Enjoy the session. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.